is trending these days, not for their taste but for their tax. Yes, you heard that right.
अरे पॉपकॉर्न के ऊपर भी डाल रहे हैं टैक्स.
Well, tax on popcorn is a real thing. Recently, it spurred a debate on the internet because of the different GST rates on different types of popcorn. The Union Finance Ministry also provided a clarification over it. So, how are popcorn actually taxed in India, and how has the Union Finance Ministry justified it? Let's dive into it in Newswatch. First of all, let's talk about the existing tax rates on popcorn. Pre-packaged and labeled ready-to-eat popcorn attracts a 12% GST. Caramelized popcorn, classified as sugar confectionery, attracts 18% GST. Non-pre-packaged and unlabeled popcorn mixed with salt and spices attracts 5% GST. But all of these are popcorn, right? So why different tax rates? This is what confused the citizens, ultimately flooding the internet with memes. One user shared this meme and wrote, "Me trying to calculate GST on my popcorn." Meanwhile, another user wrote, "Finance Minister forgot to levy GST on pani puris," while the other user shared this GIF. This all came after the GST Council in its 55th meeting clarified the tax structure on popcorn and stated that there would be no changes to the existing rates. Union Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman also explained the rationale behind the taxation of different types of popcorn. She stated that salted, caramelized plain popcorn is being sold as namkeen in certain states. Caramelized popcorn comes with added sugar, so the treatment is different from namkeen. This means that products with added sugar fall under a different tax bracket.
Salted popcorn, caramelized popcorn, plain popcorn. ऐसे स्टेट्स हैं जहां नमकीन के नाम में पॉपकॉर्न सॉल्टेड भी सेल होता है कि नहीं? नमकीन है वो, मगर जब पॉपकॉर्न सॉल्टेड सिर्फ नहीं है, उसमें कैरामलाइज्ड पॉपकॉर्न भी मार्केट में आता है एडेड शुगर के साथ. एडेड शुगर के चीज हर एक में रेट एक है, नमकीन के ऊपर रेट कम है. सो कैरामलाइज्ड पॉपकॉर्न का ट्रीटमेंट के ऊपर सब लोग विस्तार से चर्चा की. व्हेन यू टॉक आउटसाइड इट लुक्स सिली. अरे पॉपकॉर्न के ऊपर इतना चर्चा चाहिए क्या?
However, this rationale drew a storm of reactions not only from the social media but also from the opposition leaders and economists. Former Chief Economic Advisor K.V. Subramanian described the situation as a bureaucrat's delight and a citizen's nightmare in a post on X. He questioned the logic behind taxing caramel popcorn, pointing out that it would generate minimal revenue while causing unnecessary inconvenience to the public. Meanwhile, the Congress said the absurdity of 3 different tax slabs for popcorn under GST only brings to light the growing complexity of the system and asked whether the Modi government will show the courage to launch a complete overhaul for instituting a GST 2.0.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.